In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files from Google Drive trash on a computer. If you've ever deleted something from Drive and realized you still need it, don't panic. Google Drive keeps deleted items in a special holding area called trash for a limited time, giving you a simple way to bring them back. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your preferred web browser and go to http://drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, enter your Google account credentials and complete any verification prompts. It's important to sign into the same account that originally held the file, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts. Once Drive loads, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Trash. On some screens, it may be called Bin, and if you don't see it immediately, scroll or expand the navigation panel. This view shows items you've deleted within this account. Now, locate the file or folder you want to restore. You can scan the list, use the search bar while you're in trash, or sort by name or last modified to make finding it faster. Take a moment to confirm the file is the right one by checking its name, owner, and date. When you've found it, right-click the file or folder. A small menu will appear. Click Restore. That's it. The item is no longer in trash. Google Drive automatically returns it to its original location, so it will show up exactly where it lived before you deleted it. If you're not sure where that was, open the Recent view, or use the main search at the top of Drive, and the restored item should appear near the top. You'll also notice that restoring doesn't create a copy. It revives the original item, including any version history attached to it. If you restore a folder, everything inside that folder comes back with its structure preserved. And if the original parent location no longer exists, Google Drive will place the item in My Drive so you can easily move it where you want. Here's an important reminder. Files stay in trash for 30 days and are then permanently deleted. After that window, recovery through trash isn't possible, so the sooner you check trash, the better your chances. Also, if the item belonged to a shared drive or another owner, your ability to restore may depend on your permissions. If restore is unavailable, you may need the file's owner or a drive manager to restore it. And that's how you restore files from Google Drive trash. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.